What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Warlord here, and this is my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. I usually post gaming videos on here, but today I have brought something completely different. I'm going to install aftermarket slip-on exhausts on my motorcycle. As you can see, the stock exhausts are not really good. They are too bulky and they are too wide at the back and make the rear 130 section tire look so slim. So yeah, let's continue. So these are the exhausts I'm going to install. These are Dustland Moto from Thailand. I had to import them for about $330 US. They are already used though. I have been using them, but I removed them specially for this video. You can see the scratch marks. So these are the DV killers I got with them. They are very light and much smaller than the stock ones. And one good thing I like about them is that they hide that hideous weld joint on the pipes with this flap over here. You can see that cover which comes with the stock ones. It's not needed in these. I'm going to remove the stock exhausts now. I've already loosened up the nuts and bolts. I just need to take them off now. They're quite heavy. Both of them combined weigh around 11 kilos, and after you put the aftermarket exhausts on, you save about 6 kilos on the bike. You can also see that the size of the aftermarket exhaust is much smaller and thinner. They make the bike look much better. Installing the aftermarket exhausts now, you just need to slip them on, tighten up the nuts and bolts, and you're done. You can see it hides that weld joint and sits flush with the pipes. Let me quickly tighten up the bolts now. Let's install the DB killers that came with the exhaust. And for that you're going to need this 8mm wrench. You just insert the DB killer at the back, hold it with your finger, index finger, and tighten the bolt. Don't forget to hold it with your finger, or hold it while you tighten it up, because otherwise it's going to slide inside and then you'll have to take the whole thing off. The holes on the DB killer were not as big earlier when it came. I had them done a little bigger. Earlier it was a little bit quieter, now it's somewhat louder than that, although not too loud, so it won't catch any attention from you know who. So you're safe to ride it in the city and on the highways. It's good for touring also. It's not so loud, so it won't give you a headache. thank you for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos in the future. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care. Bye bye.